mind yet another technology from another university, from called Bardiyar University in Coimbatore. So here the professor is actually has a good experience in laser and fabricating and manufacturing of 3D lasers. Uh, especially 3D printers, actually, not 3D lasers, 3D printers. Right. So he actually tried to, he actually applied for the patent for this technology as well. Right. And some grants has also been received for this technology. Right. Let me go to the technology. So here there are some 3D printers. Probably you must have known it, but all the 3D printers, including metal 3D printers, have a restriction in terms of its size. So you could fabricate only small parts. Here, he's trying to achieve fabricating bigger parts. Okay. In fact, this problem statement I'm really interested because just 6 months back, I was happened to visit Indian Air Force base repair depot from Indian Army. Okay, there are many problem statements where the Indian Army is trying to repair some of the old aircrafts, some of the Russian aircrafts with the they don't have the parts as such, but the parts are a little bit broken or something. So they actually wanted to have a kind of a device, wanted to fabricate the parts using 3D printers, because those companies itself are not available, existing, and replacing those expensive aircrafts or expensive equipments, really, it is not much feasible. They did not like to replace it even for a small repair. So they actually asked for this kind of a device, and that is why we are actually a little bit interested in these kind of technologies. Here, what we believe is that this mission, this technology would address that solution, especially in aerospace and even for healthcare as well. So here you could see that this small Mitsubishi actually released in 2022, which is fabricating small metal parts using 3D printer with the same wire feed mechanism. Okay. But here we have actually completed fabricating this. You could see the photographs here. So the wire feed mechanism with 1.5 kilowatt laser. He is using steel wires only, stainless steel wires only. He wanted to use titanium also for this technology. Right. So these are the actual photographs. Right. And he wants the collaboration in terms of even technology transfer or even academic collaboration for scaling up this technology, for building a bigger parts. Right. So this prototype is already available. A laboratory prototype is available. So for commercialization, he's open to for technology transfer for the mission as an existing condition, or even for scaling up the technology for bigger parts, still bigger parts. In fact, this technology, you could fabricate objects bigger than this machine could do. Right. But still, we wanted to expand this technology a little bit further as well. Yes. Any questions?